Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be reviewing the MAG-10400 Service Center stand. This stand we manufacture for our sharpeners and balancers. It of course is made in the United States as well. What's really nice about this stand, while it's not a necessary item, it's a very nice benefit or complement to our equipment because it provides you with a horizontal mounting surface for the sharpener and a vertical mounting surface for the balancer, as you can see in the MAG-8000 behind me. Now oftentimes, and why this is a benefit, oftentimes in a shop, because you have a lot of workbenches, shelving, or just very deep workbenches, you don't always have a horizontal and vertical surface near each other, and in blade service, because time is important, we don't want you running across the shop from the balancer to the sharpener back and forth. So the stand really keeps them nice and close together. The stand is also right at a very nice comfortable height for sharpening. It also is adjustable. The legs down at the bottom can be set at there are two different hole placements for height to give you an approximate 39-inch table height, and one gives you a 41-inch table height. But keep in mind, the stand also has industrial leveling feet, which have some adjustment as well, that you can get some more height out of it, as well as if you have uneven floors, you can level the stand so it's nice and rigid and solid. We have a hook underneath the table here, which is for keeping your spanner and arbor wrench in close proximity, and also so they don't get lost. So that can be hung on the stand there. The other nice thing about the stand is we have one stand that can be used for both the MAG-8000 and the MAG-9000. It will also fit any of the balancers manufactured by Magna-Matic Corporation. And to the far side here, you'll see we have a variant of the stand. This we call the MAG-10400, and the only difference with this stand is that it has a larger tabletop for our blade cleaner, the MAG-12008. So all of the accessories that can be used with the base MAG-10400 can also be used with the variant for the cleaner. And now we'll review the accessories for the MAG-10400 stand, and we'll begin with the wheel kit. And I'll first bring the parts up here to give you a closer look. The wheel kit consists of a cross member that bridges across two of the legs and then the caster wheels. There's also another part here that we include with the wheel kit, which is our bottom cover plate. This bottom cover plate is nice because it caps off the bottom of the stand, allowing you to fill the stand with an aggregate material to add weight to it. The more weight you have is always better for grinding. It adds rigidity. So that also comes along with the wheel kit. And we do recommend, if you do use the wheel kit, to use the bottom cover plate and fill the stand. And to show the wheel kit on the unit here, I'll draw your attention to the base here where you see the wheels. And what's extra nice about this wheel kit, or what really sets it aside from other wheeled stand arrangements, is that our wheels do not contact the ground while the stand is at rest. It sits on all four of its industrial leveling feet, which keeps the wheels off the ground, and you're always rigid while you're grinding. It's only until you go to move the stand do you use it like a two-wheel hand truck or dolly, and then you can move the stand wherever you'd like to place it. The next accessory we'll talk about is the grinding wheel shelf. And this is a really kind of a neat shelf. One, because it's large. The next thing is that we've created a lip all the way around it, so whatever you might set here, if there is a little vibration from the sharpener, you won't have anything rattling off the shelf. We've also put some edges or some nocks in here to be able to lay blades across this shelf as well, so you can use it as a place to set blades, a place to set the grit guard when you're taking the grit guard off of the 8000, or set grinding wheels, or whatever tools you might want to place on there. Now looking at the shelf on the stand, you may be able to see that there are 3 hole points laser cut into the column, and they're on all 4 sides, which allow you to put the shelf in many different positions, or you can have numerous shelves of this type on the stand. And as we mentioned, it's called a grinding wheel shelf. We originally intended it to hold a box of 10 grinding wheels, which weighs 30 pounds. And you can see how it sets right in there. And that way you have your grinding wheels also, again, right by the sharpener. And the last accessory we have is what we call our blade carrier. And what we've designed here is a J profile to cradle blades and provide you nice, quick, easy access to the blades without having them, stuck in some type of tube or something like that. And we'll take a look at that here on the stand itself, right here. And we have a set of 3 blades. And you can see how they easily cradle right into the shelf. And no matter whether it's 1 blade or 3, because of that J profile, they sit in there and just kind of cock and turn and stay stationary in the blade carrier. And with the blade carrier, we have mounting holes so that you can have one on each side of the sharpener. They mount underneath off of the tabletop. We've also put holes in the base of the blade carrier that you can daisy chain more of them down. So you could potentially have, 2 on one side and 2 on the other. And that really sums up all of the accessories for the MAG 10400 service center stand. And keep in mind, the 10400 service center stand is also the stand included with all of our blade service system packages, the Lot 3 and Lot 4, which you can find at our online store, listed under Blade Service Systems. Thank you for watching.